Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'd like to say welcome. And if you've been here before and been a part of the family, I'd like to say thank you for joining and welcome back. As you can see here, I'm in my third trimester of my pregnancy. Whoop whoop. So here today we're going to be talking about 2 months update of Chebe. So as you can see, my hair has definitely grown a little more. I definitely see some improvements in my second month. Here, I'm going to show you a picture of my before using Chebe, and then I'm going to show you a picture of my after. And that's an update before I put in my crochet twist. And as you can see, here, my hair just needs to be washed, which I'm going to do a wash, and then I'm going to reapply the traditional Chebe powder to my hair. But today's video, what I'm going to show you guys is how to create your own Chebe paste and also how to apply it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you are new, please subscribe, like, comment, share your thoughts and everything. But in the meantime, enjoy the video and let's get right to it. Okay guys, so here is the Chebe powder by Chebe USA. It's the authentic powder from Chad. I also have the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner that I apply to the paste. Also, you'll see that I have the Chebe Oil. So that one I usually use for my hot oil treatments, but you can also use it in your Chebe mix. I also have here the mango lime Jamaican castor oil, and I have the Shea yogurt. That's just for hair moisture. So again, the Chebe oil you can use in the traditional paste when you make your own traditional paste, but I preferably like to use it as a hot oil and then reapply the Chebe powder with a different oil. So now, as you're gonna see here, I will be pouring some Chebe powder into my bowl that I have that I'll be using. You can see here the Chebe powder does have some herbs and some mixes into it. Some people say it has a distinct smell. I absolutely love the smell of it. It smells traditional, it smells very authentic, and I just love the natural smell that it has to it. And then so that bag right there is a 100-gram bag, as you can see, and I've had it for 2 months, and you can still see that I still have a lot left. So there you can see the powder up close. And I'm gonna also show you the consistency of the powder. It basically kind of looks like dirt, but it's really it's like a fertilizer to your hair. I really like it. So here I'm gonna mix the leave-in conditioner by Mielle. As you guys can see here, I ran out of the leave-in conditioner, so I'm kind of like struggling to try to get some of the leave-in conditioner into the paste. So sorry about that if it's taking a little time, but we're gonna get it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you see the struggle. Oh, we're gonna get some going there. Yay! Okay, we finally got something in there. So now I'm going to add the Jamaican castor oil. I like this one because it smells really good, but you can get any other type as long as it's a oil that works with your hair. And then I'm also going to take some of the Shea yogurt because that helps retain the moisture too. So all those combined just really locks in that moisture that your hair needs. I'm definitely 4C. So my hair really loves moisture and loves water. It just loves moisture and water. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of the Chebe powder there, only because the consistency of the paste is too thick. You don't want it too thick. You want it to be a pasty kind of consistency, but not too thick. I added a little water into the Mielle leave-in conditioner, so that helped kind of thin it out a little bit because I didn't really need it to be too thick. So here I'm just going to be mixing the paste together. And yeah, so while you're watching me mix the paste together, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the Chebe powder. So Chebe powder is just a mixture of herbs that it originally came from Chad. It's well known to help, naturalistas, especially for type 4 with for length retention. This is due to the amazing properties in Chebe. So Chebe helps retain moisture because moisture is really, really important for natural hair. It also retains length. As you can see, your Chebe doesn't make your hair grow. It helps your hair. So it's it helps your hair whether you're wearing protective styles or as a mask or anything. It helps to battle hair breakage. Also, it helps with pH balancing. The alkaloids found in Chebe powder have properties that help to balance the pH of your scalp and your hair strands. Also, it's good for conditioning, so you can use it in protective styles, for long duration mask treatments. The properties of Chebe is used to penetrate your hair shaft, so it allows all of the conditioning to happen and work in your hair. Also, there's just so much more. It's good for anti-inflammatory properties, helps with detangling. It's just, honestly, Chebe is amazing, and I'm a big advocate for it, and I definitely can attest to that. So as you can see here, there are many ways that you can apply the Chebe. I'm applying it the traditional application, which you can use for twist outs, for your braids. You definitely want to apply it, and you see here the consistency of it. It's thick, look like brownie thickness, like a brownie mix. It's up to you how thick you want to make it or the consistency, but at least you want it to be somewhat thick so that it can stay on your hair because it is actually a paste. So let's get right into the application process. Okay, so as you can see here, I have a towel. Chebe it can be messy. So just make sure you have a towel that you don't mind messing up, or wear clothes that you don't mind messing up as well either. So here, I'm just about to take off my bonnet. I just washed my hair, deep conditioned it with the Chebe hot oil, did a hot oil treatment as well. So now I have my paste here, you can see, and I have my aloe vera leave-in spray that I made. I have my Shea yogurt, love that stuff too. I have my Jamaican castor oil. I have the wild growth hair oil too. You can use either or. So I just section my hair in different parts, and then I detangle it if needed be. My hair dries quick, it loves water and it will soak it up really quickly. So that's why I have my leave-in spray. But as you can see, just consistency with the Chebe and everything, you can see that my curls are more defined, which I absolutely love it. Just with my hair regimen. Having a hair regimen is key. Love it, love it, love it. So we're gonna section out. Well, I'm gonna spray with my aloe vera leave-in conditioner because you definitely want your hair to be damp when you're applying the traditional Chebe. You want it to be damp. Also, you want to make sure that your hair is moisturized too as well when you're applying it. You don't want your hair to be dry because, again, you're moisturizing your hair and the Chebe is to help with retaining that moisture. Oh, what am I looking for? Oh my gosh. Yes. So I knew I had extra leave-in conditioner. I could not find it for I don't know what, but I'm so glad I found it because I really needed leave-in conditioner. So I applied leave-in conditioner first. Well, I made sure my hair was damp. Applied in the leave conditioner. Applied my oil. And then I'm going to apply my cream, which is the Shea yogurt. And I definitely make sure I get the ends of my hair because I don't know about you, but the ends of my hair, I don't like, because when they're dry and brittle, it tends to break. So I definitely try to keep off, obviously, all of my hair moisturized, but definitely want to keep the ends of my hair moisturized so that it doesn't break. So now I'm applying the Chebe paste. You see I have a generous amount of it and I just apply it on my hair. Like really get right in through and through my hair. I don't put it on my scalp because it can, clump up the scalp. It's a very thick product. So it's not for the scalp. It's for your hair, the shafts of your hair. So definitely don't apply it to your scalp, just apply it to your hair. And then after you apply it to your hair, then you can do your braid or your twist out. Your braid or your twist. And I'm gonna obviously spray a little more aloe vera there, just so that it has a good consistency and it stays. I typically leave it in for 7 days. Some people like to leave it in for their hair for like 4 hours and then wash it out. You can do that. You can leave it overnight as an overnight mask. I use it for long-term protective style purposes. So I usually leave it in my hair for 7 days. I'll do like a twist out. I can style my hair too. Usually I leave the twist in when I'm at home, but if I go out, I style my hair. And then 7 days later, I wash it out, do my regimen again of my wash, and then reapply it. You can use Chebe also with deep conditioning enhancement. You can do that by adding just a teaspoon of Chebe powder to half a cup of deep conditioner and a half a cup of oil. And you have to apply it to clean, damp hair and just cover it with the cap and then leave it in for like 4 hours and wash it out. So you can do that method. Or you can do the method that I'm doing now. They also have the Chebe paste light. It's like Chebe paste, the traditional Chebe paste, but it's with like less particles. So you can use that like daily, as a daily use. So when you're doing your styling your hair, you can put it on your hair, style it, and you're good to go. So just remember that like Chebe is awesome, but it's not like a magical product. You don't get results overnight. You really, really have to be consistent with your hair. Also you have to drink water have good nutrition, eat right, a balanced nutrition, eat right, things like that. Because you have to take care of your within in order for your hair to grow. Drinking a lot of water helps, and having a regimen, having a regimen is key to the Chebe, to this whole process. So just having a regimen. My regimen that I have is I wash my hair, thoroughly wash the Chebe paste out. I deep condition my hair with the Chebe oil and do a hot oil treatment. Leave that in for 30 minutes, and then I wash it out, apply my conditioner, my leave-in conditioner, and then do this process again. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was very helpful to you. Please, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, check out Chebe USA. They have all Chebe products and other products on there that they sell as well. And if you use my discount code, you will get 15% off. And the discount code that you can use is Nurse Toyin, and you get 15% off on the Chebe USA website. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be making another video of an update a couple of months down the road. But stay tuned. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Please share, and also comment. Tell me if you've been using Chebe. How has it been working for you? How do you apply it to your hair? And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. Bye.